Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Ecosport Dicky. To begin, locate the release button on the tailgate itself. This button is typically found near the right taillight or integrated into the handle. Press it firmly to disengage the latch. Once unlocked, the tailgate will swing open horizontally to the left, providing access to your cargo area. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. For convenient remote access, your Ford Ecosport key fob often includes a dedicated tailgate release button. Simply press and hold this button for a few seconds. You will hear the latch disengage, indicating the tailgate is now unlocked and ready to open. Then, you can manually push the tailgate open from its side. This feature is especially useful when approaching your vehicle with your hands full, offering a quick and easy way to access your cargo. Depending on your Ford Ecosport model, you might also have an interior tailgate release. This can be an electric button on the dashboard or a lever near the driver's seat. If equipped, activating this control will remotely unlock the tailgate, allowing you to open it from inside the vehicle. Always check your owner's manual for the exact location and operation specific to your car. If you encounter difficulty, first ensure your vehicle is completely unlocked. The tailgate will not open if the central locking system is engaged. Also, check for any physical obstructions that might prevent the tailgate from swinging open, as it opens sideways. For long-term smooth operation, consider lubricating the hinges and the latch mechanism every 6 months or so. This helps prevent stiffness and ensures reliable access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.